What's up, everybody? HK2 Production, back at it again. That's my slogan right there. I came back out here to the river where I landed that nice big juicy fish. I want to see if I can get another one. So this time I'm going to do little things a little different. I caught that one on a crankbait. This time I'm using a Texas rig black and blue Christy crawfish, and I'm gonna switch it up on a new crankbait the missus bought me from Bass Pro Shop. I want to try this one out. So what I'm gonna do out here is I'm gonna cover top to bottom. I'm gonna go out deep. I'm gonna go to the corners. I'm gonna try to pitch it undercover with the Texas rig. So we're gonna get out here and we're gonna cover as much ground as we can, all right? We got more live action coming to you. All right, so I put a Texas rig on. See if I get any bites off of this. Got one. These things are ferocious. They know what they're doing. Yep, here you go. I should have been recording that catch. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. She's a nice fish. Man, second nice chunk. River fishing is on point today. Look at that baby. She's a beauty. Eating good too. They eating good over here. Man, I gotta keep on doing river fishing, y'all. One thing I like about Texas rigs, it can go over stumps. It can go over cover. Like I can cast it way over there. Let it sink. Got him. Ooh, that's a nice solid one. He mad. You gonna get the hook out for me? It's another chunk. Look at that chunk. Look at that bad boy. Pretty, ain't she? So I got three. These rivers, man, they be holding some big fish. I'm telling you. Like, this is the first time I've caught 3 in a row this big or bigger. So I know there's a lot. There's 10-pounders that gotta be in here. Just gotta get to them and just gotta reach them. More action coming to you, y'all. I'm going for number 4. Ooh. He bit that one. He bit it hard. Come on. Look at that juicy one. Man, there's some big fish out here, y'all. Now look at that one. I'm telling you, man, there's some chunks out here. And they are alive today, y'all. They are biting hard. I mean, just look at the colors, look at that belly. They're eating well out here, y'all, and I'm enjoying catching them. I mean, off the red crankbait and off the black and blue Texas rig all day long. They are biting them. They are alive out here in this river, y'all. That's that river fishing. I had to come back. Woo! Yeah, baby. Come on out here. Woo, he still got a little fight in him. Woo, got another hog. Look at that bad boy. Got another hog. He bit that one and took off running with it. Took me a while to get him in there, but I got him. There's got to be some record bass in here. Just got to find them. Look at that belly. Good catch, good catch. All right, y'all. It was a great day today. I am hot. It is like 90 degrees out here, and I'm sweating. I fished for about a good 2.5 hours out here, and I mean, y'all saw my catches. I slayed some nice bass out here in this river. I think my PB might be in the river. I'm going to continue fishing the river for a while. I do my pond, but after a while, ponds are limited. It's hard to fish in ponds because you got to have permissions. So I'm going to get out there, and I'm definitely going to get out here in this river for a bit and try to catch my PB bass, y'all. So you know what it is. Y'all be safe out there, have fun. These two baits worked it. I mean, Strike King. Now this one is a new one my wife got me. It's an XPS, and it also did the trick. I was well satisfied with this brand from Bass Pro Shop. And of course my Texas Red Christy Crawfish, I use that when I don't know what in the world I'm doing and what kind of pond. But if it's dark in the river, I use dark colors so it can track the bass more. It has a lot of cover, so that Texas rig was good to hit logs and tree stumps where the bass was sitting at. And I mean, you saw the product. So y'all take care, have fun, and I'm out.